Hare Krishna. So I'm going to show you guys some funky beats. They're very similar to the normal double time beats that you hear in Kirtan usually, but I'm just making them a little funky. So just watch carefully. Slight differences make it sound a little more funky. And the mantras will be in the description below. Okay, so I'll play it on the Mridanga. My brother will play on the cartels. Alright, so the first one. So this is the next one. Those were two varieties of kind of a similar style. So this one is a little different. All right, so. All right, made a little mistake in the end there, but okay. So then the next one is Matan. All right.
Well,
so
you can actually there's that beat that you can go into after that. So like ge dina gin ta kitina ge dina din ta kitina.
Oh right. Yeah. So from that one that I just played, so you can, and then you can add a variety to it. So. That I'm starting at a sort of an odd place in the mantra. So let me show you that one more time. So it goes. So I kind of start. It seems like regularly you would start like where you start on the Dhin. That Dhin, but I'm starting a little before that, so it makes it a little funky.
So he's actually adding the ending part. Normally Dhin ta gedina, right, is the normal beat that we play. Now he's taking that gedina and starting with that, so that it's kind of the second half of the mantra is going to be the first half. So he's doing gedina Dhin ta ketina gedina.
Yeah, so it makes it really funky, especially when you get that in the Kirtan, and you play it at the right time in the right place. It really sounds good.
Yeah, so we'll go through that one more time. Go through the first one, and then we'll go through the second one.
All right. They kind of go together. You can play them together in a kirtan. Okay, so the last one we're going to work on is Matan. So this is in 6 beat. The previous ones were all in 4. So
okay, and then on that theme, there's another mantra that's a fast beat. So I'll demonstrate that. My brother's gonna play, and this is a Mridanga mantra that I've seen Bali play. So from the Mayapuris, Bali, he plays this usually when the kirtan goes very fast. So I had some requests. Some of my students were asking me how to play this beat. So what you're doing is basically just playing the first beat on the big side and the last beat on the big side from the normal mantra. And you're going to do it in the third style. So that's mantra number 3, Kaharba Lohara number 3. So we're taking only the first beats and the last beats on the big side of each line. So we're going to do that's a really nice beat to play if you're feeling a little tired, or the kirtan's going really, really fast, and it's hard to play all the beats. You can switch to that, take out some of the beats on the big side, make it a little easier, and it sounds funky too. So, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you find this helpful. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. You can always subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. And you can contact us on mridangastudios.com or email us at mridangastudios@gmail.com. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna.